There's an app out there that I tried out recently that made me $200 by doing nothing more than playing games. Stay tuned and keep watching to both find out what the app is and because I have a big bonus for you at the end of the video. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so like I said in that intro, guys, today we will be going over an app that I found recently that I know you will love. And as far as make money apps go, this is one of the best ones I've seen thus far, and as you've seen in that intro, I did make money using it. Furthermore, I will show you reviews that also prove that we are talking about a completely legitimate app that will actually pay you. And as I said, I do have a bonus for all of you who stay until the end of the video. With that said, the app in question is called Gift Play, and I am now at their official website, giftplay.io. The way this app works is basically it pays you for playing games, as I said, and is seen right here. You play, we pay. Play free mobile games, make money, earn rewards, and gift cards. Now, this app is available for Google Play only as of now. Unfortunately, it's not available for iOS, but we can count on that changing sometime in the future. Anyways, something I really love about this app is that you don't have to play a game for a set amount of time before getting paid. You will actually earn money every minute that you spend playing games. The more time you play, the more coins you will earn, as simple as that. And let's face it, who doesn't like playing games? It's fun! Especially when compared to surveys or other methods with which you can make money online that are outright boring and painstakingly long to complete and only pay a tiny amount of cash. You can see here it says, "Are you looking for the app that pays you for playing games?" Introducing Gift Play, the app that allows you to make money and earn gift cards by playing games. No purchase is necessary, no playing to win. So this is a free app, and you don't have to pay them anything in order to be able to get paid playing games. Here you can see that you get paid in coins, and those coins you can of course redeem for money. Moreover, another way they have for you to earn money is by referring people, so you can get some of your friends and family to try this game out, and when they do, you will get paid in return, which is awesome of course. With that said, something I know many of you will love is that you don't just get paid through gift cards, as is the case with some other apps. Redeem your coins for a PayPal cash out, or for a variety of top branded gift cards like Amazon, Google Play, iTunes, and etc. So yes, for those of you who do love PayPal, it is indeed available for this app. And if you perhaps are looking to get paid through a gift card, they offer gift cards from some huge companies like Amazon, for example. Another awesome feature of this app is that they literally have an unlimited amount of games for you to choose from. And they have various game types as well. You have casual, strategy, action, puzzle, adventure, arcade, and many more. You can play any game you like and start collecting coins, as is said right here. Now, something of note is that while they have many different games, most of them are only available for those in the US, UK, Canada, and most countries in Europe. For some countries, unfortunately, the number of games is a bit limited, but I'm sure that'll change soon enough in the future. Now, if you scroll down on their homepage here, you will see how this app actually looks on your smartphone device. And I think many of you will love it, as I did. With all of that said, there is one big thing I have to show you, which I promised back in the beginning, and that's the reviews. You can check them out yourselves by going over on Google Play like myself, and this app has one of the best reviews I've seen out there. It has a rating of 4 stars with just under 2,000 reviews. Now, this shows more more than I ever could that this is a 100% legitimate app we're talking about. As you can see down here, the vast majority of users rated it as 5 stars. So this does work most definitely, and they've paid out thousands of people out there. So go ahead, guys, and give this app a try. You can't lose anything, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Now, with all of that said and done, as I said in the beginning, I do have a bonus for those of you who want to make even more money. Now, the next platform I'm about to show you, you can earn money by doing other things instead of just playing games, as was the case with the first app. The site in question is called irazoo.com. This site allows you to make money in many different ways, as I said. As you can see up here, you can download apps, watch videos, complete surveys, which, as always, I wouldn't recommend. You can complete offers, and last but definitely not least, you can play games in order to get paid. Speaking of getting paid, they will also pay you either through cash or gift cards, as you can see right here, and they have paid out over $100 million up to this point. And in case some of you are wondering whether or not this is legit, you can see down here that the likes of CNN, Yahoo, The Wall Street Journal, and other huge companies are showcased here, which would not be the case if this wasn't legit. Now, how this exactly works is as follows. You first have to join this website by signing up. You then earn points either by playing games, completing surveys, or whatever, and then you choose your rewards. And as you can see, they also offer Amazon gift cards. But if you want to get paid in cash, PayPal is indeed available too. Now, you can read more about irazoo here, but I simply won't go over it to not prolong this video. In order to start earning money here, what you need to do is click on Join in the upper right corner. Then, enter in your email address, first and last names, your password, and then click on Create Account right here. Or, alternatively, you can just click on Join with Facebook to create an account faster. In case you decided to create an account via email, you will need to come over to your Gmail account, open up a message that looks like this, and just click on Activate your irazoo account, after which you will be able to start making money. Okay, so those are the apps I wanted to share with you today. Now, the one I really prefer is the first one. I tried many apps until this point, and that's arguably one of the best that I've seen. But what I would nevertheless recommend you do is combine both of the apps I showed you today. So not just irazoo, not just GivePlay, but use both of them in order to maximize your earnings and earn as much money as possible. And with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.